Hey guys, what is up? This is Khan and you are looking mbcreativeprogrammer.com. In today's lecture, we'll teach you that how you can write your first Python program and how you can run that. We'll also teach you that how to use and which IDE is the best for that course. We'll carry this course step by step from basic to advanced. If you are new in our channel, please subscribe it and press a bell icon that you will get latest update or video we make for you people. This is for completely beginner who don't work or who doesn't work before than that with the Python language, or who is new in the field of Python. So how you can write your first program will teach you the method and how you can write your first Python in the IDE and print something on the screen. So let's open it and write your first program. Should write Jupyter, but if you have already installed, as I told you, and I will teach you the way how to install Jupyter and how you can work with that. Now we are in the next lecture, which is today's lecture. In this lecture we'll teach you how to write your first program. It will take a little time, but in different computer, that mean according to the different processing power. So if your computer or your laptop is well, so it will not take more time, but if your computer is not as strong, so it will take a little time but not more time. You have to write on your click on a new, as I have clicked already on a new terminal, as I have already clicked. Now once again click on new Python 3. After that you can write your code here, but if you are, as I told you, new in this IDE, you can save your file from here as save, rename, save, and etc. You can write your comments, etc. all in this, but today's our work is to teach you that how you can write your first program in Python language. As in other languages, if you are a programmer, programming, you are having some skill before you have studied that C language or C++ or Java, etc. So we will teach you that how that is applied in their IDs and how Python is different in that. So there is no tough work. We'll teach you step by step. But once again, if you are new in our channel, I'll recommend you to subscribe it and press the bell icon that you get latest update. We'll be having more topic and we'll cover advanced topic and advanced courses in upcoming time. So as in C++ we write cout, and in the middle of cout, let's suppose you are writing hello world. Word. You can write your first program like this, or in what we can say that there, if you are writing your first program in C language, so you will write printf, and whatever you are writing here you will write, right? Okay, let's suppose once again I will write for you that hello world. As same in these languages, their way is applied, but in Python there is a little differences. How to write? Let's start that. If you are completely beginner and you don't know about Python, so you can write print. After print you will write your string, whatever you're writing in your print function. Will also teach you that how to print something on a screen, number or float, etc. Hello world. If you are new, you can click on shift enter, it will give you result, or you can also, here is a run button, when you press it that will be printed on a screen on a terminal. That is your hello world. If let's suppose you want to write something, like we can say you want to write some number, so how you can write it, print and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, whatever that is. Once again you will write on run and that will be run to you. Let's suppose if you want to write something like we say that float number, so the same one method is applied, that float 3.4 or whatever and more as well. Once again, if you click on it, that will be printed on the screen. If you want to write your boolean something, so you can write, let's suppose print 3 is greater than 6, right? Let's see if the condition is true. False, you can check, clearly has been written that false. If you want to write a condition and that is true, what will be printed? Print 4 is greater than 2. Once again press enter and true. So that is a way you can write your program and you can print something on the screen. This is your really beginner and very first program, and that is your journey, we can say, to Python programming languages. Later on we'll discuss variable, and the same as we discussed in C++ or we discussed in HTML. Step by step we'll cover all the things involved in our, or we can say, programming languages. But if you are new, I will recommend you to press the bell icon to subscribe it, and press the bell icon, sorry, to get a latest update. These were that how you can write. Once again, if you are still confused, I will repeat it again, that this is whatever you are writing to, like first program hello world, and this will be written in print statement. As I told you that in C language you use printf, and C++ you use cout. So that is something that you want to write something from, what we can say, you want to write something out to the user, and if you want to take some input from user, we'll teach you later on, but be with us. And please, I will recommend you to subscribe our channel and be CreatyiveProgrammer.com, and we will provide you a link to other languages. If you have confusion, we have clearly discussed that in C++ language and HTML. If you are having some confusion, you want to become programmer, so please subscribe channel and press the bell icon that you will get a latest update. Thank you for watching.